Each one of us are talented in some way or the other. I consider it a blessing to be able to paint, to be able to craft something. And it's been a big dream for me to build up people with creativity, to tap into their creative side and make them do something, make them dream bigger. So today, I want to tell you something. If you are a dreamer, do not wait. Please do something about your dream. Hi, I'm Kavita Xavier. I'm the founder of Handmade by Handmade. This is my channel. Through this channel, I would like to reach out to women who struggle with their daily routine to take a break, to teach them a hobby which will occupy them, which will de-stress them. And if you're someone who is looking to earn a little bit of extra income, this is the place for you. If you're watching this and if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to comment on something, please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.